ready to make Easter nests. Okay, you need to make sure that you've washed your hands though first. Make sure you go and wash your hands, pause the video, go and wash your hands, and then come back. You need, in your bowl, you're going to have your shredded wheat. I've got Weetabix in here, I've got 6. Just add as much as you need for however many people are in your house. You then need your chocolate. I've got dairy milk. If you're lactose intolerant or dairy free, then you might want to use dark chocolate instead, because that will help. And then you need your cupcake cases, like this one, and your mini eggs. Should we get started? When your shredded wheat or your Weetabix is in your bowl like this, you just want to take a wooden spoon and you want to mash it up just like this, okay? Mash it up into tiny, tiny pieces. Okay, and then it's going to look something a little bit like that. Look how good it looks. Take your chocolate and a measuring jug or a bowl that can go in the microwave. I'm going to melt my chocolate in the microwave. You want to break your chocolate up into the smallest squares you can. For your chocolate you need 200 grams, okay? Pop it all in here and then yeah, we'll get it melted in the microwave. Pop it in your measuring jug or your bowl. Try not to eat any of it. Just like that, and then pop it in the microwave. Okay, when popping it in the microwave, you need to keep an eye on it because you don't want it to burn. So I normally do it in about 30 seconds, check that it hasn't burned, give it a stir, pop it back in, check it hasn't burned, give it a stir, and then if I just need to do 10 seconds to make sure the last bit is melted, that's what I tend to do. Okay, so if we have a look at this now, all my chocolate is melted, and it smells incredible. Okay, what you want to do is you take your shredded wheat or your Weetabix, and you want to pour all of this chocolate into the mixture, okay? So you pour it all in. So what you should have is your Weetabix and your chocolate, just like this. And with your big wooden spoon, you want to mix it all up and make sure that your Weetabix or your shredded wheat is completely covered in your chocolate, okay? So you want to make sure that it's completely covered. Okay, last bit of chocolate to mix in. And then your chocolate and shredded wheat should look something like this. How good that looks. Okay, pop that to one side and then you need your cake tins. I've just got a baking tray here because I haven't got a baking case tin. But you just place your cake tins on your baking tray like this. With your mixture, you just want to pop it in. I'm going to use the same spoon and probably another metal spoon. I like to pop it on the wooden spoon, and then with the other spoon, I just push it off into the cake tin, okay? Probably want quite a generous amount. Fill the cake case. on top of these, you need to get your mini eggs. This is where your mini eggs come in, okay? You probably want, I like to put about 3 eggs on top of mine. So I just put a small amount in my hand, and then on top of each cake case, I'm going to put 3 eggs, so it looks a little bit like a bird's nest with the eggs inside. I like to do 3, but you can do however many that you want. Here you go. Enjoy, everybody.